I'm Brian Gardner, President and co-founder of Selltis. I'm excited to tell you about Selltis Sales GPS, the only CRM solution that allows you to establish goals, to measure performance against those goals, and to manage your company's progress using clear and concise dashboards with embedded graphics. We approach CRM a little differently than most other CRM vendors. Selltis Sales is an industrial, market-focused CRM system, a complete sales team and sales management solution that manages all aspects of the sales process, from lead all the way to quote, with complete back-end integration. But we've gone one step further and put the focus of your CRM initiative squarely on the most important and often overlooked part of your business, the front end of the sales cycle. GPS stands for Goal Performance System, and like the device more commonly known by the acronym, but as it applies to sales. Selltis Sales GPS uses sales pursuit data to map a clear course to reach your sales goal. What keeps sales managers up at night is the question we always ask. Is there enough in the pipeline to meet sales goals this month, this quarter, this year? What are my salesmen focused on, and where are they spending their time? The core of Sales GPS is based on a simple formula. Sales goal equals base business plus new load input times hit rate. Most companies set sales goals, often by company, territory, salesman, and product. The missing link is knowing what front-end load input is required to reach those sales goals. I cannot stress the value of this thinking enough. What if you had a system that could track and monitor this for you automatically? You must measure input to get desired output. Here's a quick example of what this looks like in practice and how the management team and sales team can use it. This system replaces all those Excel spreadsheets that are commonly emailed around the office to get those monthly and quarterly forecast reports. Wouldn't it be nice to have this automated and in real time? You can start with Selltis Sales GPS and ease into the complete Selltis CRM system. You can add features and functionality to the system as you grow. What we find is that CRM implementations fail either because a company starts with too much functionality or because it's not clearly focused on the sales side of the business. We address both of these issues with Selltis Sales GPS. GPS is a web-based application. No servers or software to manage, limited to no IT involvement required, real-time data, and up and running quickly. We set your company up with its own secure HTTPS domain. Each user has their own username and password to log in from an internet connection anywhere in the world. And with Selltis Mobile, lets you do this from your smartphone. Each user can have their own dashboard based on their information. In this example, I'm going to log in as the VP of Sales. The starting dashboard shows how we are doing as a company. The red line shows the company load input goal, which in this case is $500,000 a month. You can see we have an upward trend with regards to your loading of the pipeline, but are still not where we need to be as a company. Back to the red line goal. It shows the dollar amount that we've loaded into the system via our load input module using the formula. Sales goal equals base business plus load input times hit rate. You can quickly see what the overall pipeline looks like for the company, in this case $765,000. Let's look at an example of a load input goal defined by a specific vendor or manufacturer. The load goal can be linked to a specific vendor or manufacturer. The load goal for this pipeline in this example is set for $750,000 a year worth of new opportunities, which equates to about 600 opportunities needed to get this value. We have loaded the system with load input goals for the company, territory, salesman, vendor, and product. Now the salesmen start loading the system with their opportunities. Before walking into ABC Chemical, the salesman can get a quick overview of the pipeline and the contacts at ABC Chemical via the company dashboard. With ABC Chemical highlighted, you can see all the contacts that are linked to ABC. And highlighted in the bottom view is the $431,000 worth of pipeline opportunities that we have and that they're working. The salesman found an opportunity to sell a certain product or service with John Applegate, and will log this information into Sales GPS opportunity form instead of those current Excel spreadsheets that they're using now. Note the following on the opportunity form. It is linked to both the contact and company automatically. You can select from a list of your product or services you want to track. Example, pumps, valves, flow meters. Allows you loading of the projected value of this opportunity. Allows setting of the forecast via expected close date. This drives the management reports automatically. Set up prompts for follow-up and what is the next action. And a journal area allowing you to easily enter information as you work this opportunity through the sales cycle. The opportunity is in the system. The salesman will be prompted to follow up. Management gets their forecasting and pipeline, and all the reports are done automatically. Life is good. You now have your salesman managing their opportunities. You have loaded your load input goals by company, by manufacturer, by product, by salesman, by territory. You can now produce all the reports real time. A suite of reports are pre-built and ready under the GPS dashboard node, with the ability to select desired views. The load input trend is based on load input goal, and the total pipeline is $478,000. Here's an example of a vendor or manufacturer with a load goal of $750,000 annually, or $62,500 per month, shown by the red line. The load input trend over the last couple months is in blue. Looks like that training and goal setting session with the salesman back in April is starting to pay off. Input trend is moving in the right direction. To summarize, Selltis Sales GPS is focused on sales pursuit and goal tracking to get started. Quick return on investment. It is easy to get started, and you can expand Selltis functionality as you grow. This is a packaged turnkey solution with little to no development cost. Think of Sales GPS as an easy way to automate and eliminate all those Excel forecasting sheets in real time with anytime access via the web. If you'd like to learn more about how you can grow your business with Selltis Sales GPS, go to selltis.com or give us a call. Thank you.